But what's your risk model? How do you assess risk? How do you manage risk? How do you navigate a trade when you move your stop loss? How do you manage open profits if you feel the tug of war inside? I've been teaching all that stuff, folks. But it goes in one ear out the other for some of you. And when you send tweets to me, tell me, yeah, I blew my account today. I lost control of myself. I did stupid stuff. Right. So yes, that happened. I agree. You messed it up. But that's not your career. You got fired from your job as a trader with that account. You're never going to get another job. If you lost your job right now, whatever the fuck it is that you're doing, whatever that job is that you can't stand doing anyway, but you needed to eat. If you lost your job, you're going to say, fuck it, I'm not going to get another one. I'm not getting another job. Fuck that shit. I might lose that one too. I'm not going to do that. No, of course not. An asshole thinks like that.